Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Wish. Yeah, a lot of these beaten names kind of started waking up the past few sessions. Pick your choice of drug. Chop W. Never heard of this sticker. What's this? Wait, this thing. I wonder who bought this thing in the sevens. Who bought this thing in the sevens? I'm gonna tell you who bought it. Someone who thought they were gonna sell into 20s. Alright, good luck, everyone. Except for David, because David can fuck off. I'm sorry, David, I had to. DVAX, yeah, looks nice. NTLA, yeah, do you know why NTLA feels random? Because it is random. There's no edge in this thing. Focus on the momentum leaders. Roy, yeah, this is strong. Roy is really strong. BTCM, I don't know. It's a laggard. I mean, I guess it looks fine, but it's lagging. That's the problem. Mara is the leader in Bitcoin mining. That's the leading stock. Yeah, BTBT is also laggard. Yep. Ren. Yeah, maybe. I don't know why it's so tight. It's kind of sketchy. Yeah, DVAX was breaking out last time I looked at it. Yeah, I mean, I guess it looks decent. Task. It's breaking out from what? Where's the breakout? ENDP? Yeah, I don't know. It's already getting stretched. What does the company do? Well, the main business is, and then the secondary businesses, they don't really generate a lot of profits. You're welcome, guys. I know a lot of things about a lot of companies. These China education stocks are finally starting to... Damn, I have to use a log chart. I can't see them. Finally starting to break the ranges. Can they double? BEKE. It's another China name, just beaten down, breaking a range. There's a lot of China names looking like this, like TME also. A lot of them. If I expect Edu and Tal rise on earnings, when are the earnings? 1026, Tal 1028. I don't know. No idea. Yeah, SI did exactly what it was supposed to do. Bounce off the rising 20-day. Look at the higher lows on the 60-minute. It was showing strength as it was down on a day. This is what I'm talking about all the time. A stock can be down on the day and still be showing strength or positive price action. Session. No. What do you see here? Is it surfing the 10 and 20 day and 50 day moving averages? No. Sense? Oh, Session. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. This thing could work. I don't know what the news are, and I don't know anything about it. But yeah, it could work. Depending on the news. Palt. I don't know. Wait, in Belgium you're paying 0.7% tax per trade? Well, that's some pretty easy math. I don't know why you're asking me about it. Of course, it's you can't trade with that kind of a tax. It will eat up all your profits. You won't have anything to tax. Or, you know, you won't have any capital gains with that type of a tax. If you have 0.25% in forex fees, I recommend you choose or you change your broker. Guys, this is how it works. You are supposed to get rich, not your broker. You are supposed to get rich. Solars are really weak today. SLCA. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. Next. Isn't that the nat gas name? No, never mind. It's something else. Yeah. It's a laggard, but good work. HX. Oh man. Holy shit, this thing is... Wow. What's going on with this name? Yeah, it could be interesting for short tomorrow if it goes crazy today. It's still a little bit too thin for me, but you know, if we can get like 30-40 million in volume. I remember people asking me if this was a good short here back in the 4s. I was no, wait for it to go parabolic. Then someone asked me about it yesterday. No, wait for it to go parabolic. Here we are. Ideal point of entry on Mara, $1. Hoodie? What the I can't spell. Here it is. Hoodie. Yeah, there's no volume in this one. Is Netflix on my daily watch list? Oh yeah, you mean that's, yeah. I'll just put in the numbers and I'll remove it. You guys remember when it broke out here? And I mentioned it. I never bought it. Well, I guess I should have bought it. It looks like a huge move, but it's only 20%. Since it's a low ADR stock. I'll show you on a weekly what I saw. This is what I saw. This. No, it's way higher. Mara, a setup variation. Yeah, it was a little bit sloppy, but it was the right sector, and I saw the cryptos heating up, so. But it had a range break here. It was a kind of sloppy flag. I think I also bought GBTC the same day. And MSTR too. I don't remember about that one, but. TN, yeah, this man. I mean, it's such a bad laggard, but it is setting up. Like Russell, it feels like Russell wants to run 20% into year end. But it's just lagging so badly. Oh my god. Can it get going already? You'll be dead before IWM breakouts? Yeah. Guys, in 8 months, Russell is. This is what Russell is gonna look like. Wait, where is this? Here. I'm gonna do some. It's still gonna be in this range by late next year. 20 false breakouts and false breakdowns later. It's gonna be like this. Oh my god. %66% to the apex is the median breakout time, not the apex itself. I have no idea what that means. Looks like these China names are pulling back. Too bad. Oops, I wicked Tal a little bit. What does IWM do? That's right, it goes sideways. That's what they do. Upstart, that one goes higher. IWM goes sideways. That's what these things do. MVAX. If I want to get into coin, do you, dude, have you even bothered following the instructions on the screen? Have you put in any kind of effort at all? Yes, I can trade all of your accounts. I don't mind. Yeah. Yeah, it was up. This is day 4 of the second leg higher. Or third leg higher, whatever it is. Yeah, it was too thin. Way too thin for me. But, yeah, it was a parabolic. Now it's a parabolic. Not when people asked about it in the 4s. It was not a parabolic back then. But now it is. Nail? Yeah, I don't see a setup in this thing. This is a tricky trader. It's all over the place. All over the place. NCMI. Yeah, maybe. Who influenced my swing trading the most? It's Pradeep, Dan Sanger. Those two. And second place, that would be maybe like William O'Neill and Mark Minervini. Mark Minervini's books. Not his paid service, not his Twitter, but his books. What did I... I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. What did you say? Guys, the chat is breaking up. I didn't see what you wrote there. What does Mark Minervini do? I don't know, I guess he trades. Moss, I think it needs to go sideways a bit more. I think CF is a much better setup. CCXI. I don't know these types. I don't know. These biotech ones are really tricky. Well, I think you don't need to know in detail what a company does, but you do need to know what sector it is in, roughly. Like, for example, like, I don't know in detail what plug, BLDP, F-cell, and BE do, but I do know they're in fuel cells, which is like alternative energy. And I don't know what, you know, SPWR, FSLR, EMPH, JKS, DQ. I don't know in detail what they do, but I do know they're in solar panels or related businesses, which is also alternative energy or clean energy. So I think it's very important to know this sector, but you don't need to go and, you know, read up on the balance sheets or like start reading CEO comments and stuff like that. Not for trading purposes. All that matters is momentum and liquidity and the theme. You know, you start a few in the sector. You know, if you in the sector start running, the others will follow. Knowing the sector is super important, but you don't need to know the business in detail. But you do need to keep track of earnings dates, and if it's a biotech, a smaller micro cap or mid cap biotech, you need to know when data is due and if they have any data due. That is something you have to. You need to stay out of the binary events. What does this TNA do? Anyone know? You can't hear me? Wait. I need to tune the mic a little bit. Am I cutting out? I sound fine. Thanks, guys. Wish. Yeah, perking higher. Like this BB2. These former meme stonks. Or some of them. Man. Russell, this IWO has been holding IWM back, but it's finally getting above this moving average. It's building higher lows. IWN has been looking better for a while. It's been stronger. But IWM overall, oh man. Is it ready to finally go? But it needs to break out of this 228.50 area, mid-high 228s first. Needs to get above that area. But man, it is an impressive flag. The only problem is it's a laggard. Choose out. I just assume you haven't followed the instructions on the screen. Look, guys, it's really simple. Like it's, you know, if you guys, you know, just follow the instructions on the screen. It's not that hard. Spend time watching the YouTube videos, read the blog posts. You'll gain a little bit better understanding of what works and doesn't in the markets. Do a favor to yourself. Do a favor to your future self. Hey David, have you followed the instructions on the screen? Hey, thanks Cosen Trading, appreciate it. Did I break up? You only heard following No? David, you've been here for like what, 2 years? You still haven't followed the instructions on the screen? You can't read. But you can write, but you can't read. That's an interesting combination. You're busy. I almost like how you updated your website. You almost like it? Okay. What's missing? Yeah, well, Edu is another type of setup. Like, I think it has potential, like especially with the China names going higher the past couple of weeks. You know, this thing could catch momentum, but it's a long shot. It's a good risk reward play. It's something you're gonna risk 10 cents to make $1 or $2 or two or three, or maybe not $3, but maybe, you know, $2. It's a good risk reward. It's a tiny position, just in case the pump goes on, starts, but you know, it's one of these low price stocks. On the other hand, it's very high float, so it's probably not gonna make a big move, but yeah. It's not one of my traditional setups, but sometimes these types of setups can work really well. I should do an options trading school. Yeah, hey David, that's a great idea. I'm gonna do an options trading school. Why should I remove the fuck or censor the fuck? Why? We don't have any underage people here. Yeah, I was once an options trader for 1 day. Oh, so you like my blog, but you said you almost liked it. So do you like it or do you almost like it? Moss, yeah, I know. Moss CF, the sector is breaking out. And there is one other HU, no, not HU. Pot, no, these things merge. It's what's the third ag name, guys? What's NTR? Thank you. Yeah, it was Pot and HU that merge. Yeah, Pot and HU. These things were Pot, CF, Moss. They were big runners. 2000. What was it? 2005 to 2008. 2006 to 2008. These things made big moves. CF made almost 1,000% move. Moss made a almost 1,000% move. And then you had Pot and HU too that made big moves. You should study this. You should study them. Build a pattern database. TNA, is it going? Come on! Can we finally get a big move? Yes, can we almost get a move? Who LPX? What's that? Yeah, it had a yeah. Yesterday was the entry. Today it's not an entry. Nova. Oh, it's another solar related name. But this thing is a big laggard. Last time the solars went, this thing was a big laggard. It's a slower one. Or is it? Wait. Or maybe not. I don't know. It feels like it's a slower one, but it's not. Never mind. Yeah, but there's no setup here. It looks exactly like EMPH, like FSLR, like oh, okay, maybe not like like JKS, like CSI. Ah, this is a laggard. SCDG maybe. Yeah, they all look pretty much the same. Or you can just do the ETF, which is slower than many of the individual names, but you know. Volume, yeah. It is light. But you know, it can grind higher on low volume too. But I'm not super excited about it. I mean, so many things right now. I don't even really care about the TNA or the Russell. Like if it goes higher, it's nice, but you know, it's you know, it means all of my other things are gonna go higher. But at this point, I don't really. Well, I do care, but I'm not gonna have a big position in it, since I'm already in a bunch of other things. Oh man, can we have like a smooth rally into year end, like rally, or and you know into next year, like a smooth linear rally, something like we had from like let's say you know May and June, or like November to February. Let's just say, you know, clean multi-month rally. That would be so nice. I know what's gonna happen on Tesla earnings. It's either gonna go up or down. Any questions on that? Your mind was blown? Genius. What do they do? Guys, I know what's gonna happen to Tesla tomorrow. Do you see this candle here? Tomorrow it's gonna have a candle here. Buy my course for $9.99. David, you can get it for free. Oh yeah, everything. This is the you know the best part with swing trading. When you catch these, you know, 2-3 times per year when the market is really good, all you have to do is just sit and, well, not do much. Everything just keeps grinding up daily. That was November to February for me, and also you know most of last year. Everything just went up. But you have to wait for the good times. You can't build a portfolio when the indices are, you know, weak, when they're in a downtrend. Everything is rallying. You want to go on a boat ride, David? Yeah, I get a lot of the questions about the yacht. I bought a yacht from Italy. It's in production right now. I'm gonna get it next year, hopefully in April. I went with Shark Gray. We don't have sharks in Sweden. Happiest day for a boat owner? Yeah, that's the dumbest saying ever. This is gonna be my third boat, so that doesn't even make any sense. It's a high ADR boat. Yeah, that's true. Boat, break out another 1,000. Or in this case, break out another 10,000. We do have sharks in Sweden? What the fuck? I'll never go swimming again. Yeah, that's true. I think that saying is, you know, I think most people that repeat the saying are people who never had a boat, or people who bought a boat that was too expensive for them, or who bought a boat and they didn't like boating. In combination of it was too expensive for them. No, it does not have a helipad. Maybe next one. Maybe the next one will. I like how these uranium ETFs are flagging here. It's just it's actually like a high tide flag on these things almost. I think they're gonna go way higher. Yes, it does have a Seakeeper. You only follow traders who have helipads on their yachts? Oh. Hey David, I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna tell me to fuck off and then gonna log off. I'm prepared. Come on, David, say it. Tilray? Yeah, it had a random. Yeah, this is what I've been talking about. All these beaten down sectors, they've been waking up the past few days. But focus on the ones that have setups. These random bottom bounces, some of them may work, but a lot of them will fail. Focus on the setups. On good setups. Oh, David didn't tell me to fuck off. That's where your daughter serves. Hey, David, there's fucking sharks in the water. That's crazy, David. Holy shit. Look, if we get a good setup in these uranium ETFs, URA, URNM, maybe in a few days, if they can tighten up, or if they can, I mean, yeah, I'm willing to add to them. Or am I? Oh, I actually have a lot of size in them. Yeah, maybe I'll add a little bit. I don't know. I'm kind of fully invested. I'm not really, you know, I try not to do much here. I just want to trim and trail. I'm not really super eager to add stuff. What conditions? Well, CF. I mean, it's a 5-star setup. What can I say? A little bit slower was stock, but you know, it's too late to buy it now. But it's a 5-star. But I didn't add it because one, it's a bit slow, and I'm already kind of fully invested. But I do see, you know, more and more things setting up. Yeah, SI. Yeah, look at this. It built higher lows all day yesterday. It was showing positive price action while it was down on the day. It found support exactly where it should have found support, on the rising 20-day. Is dipshit going? Yeah, oh yeah, dipshit is going. Look at the higher lows it's been building. Dipshit is really going, yep. Chivo. Yeah. I think you would do well by following the instructions on the screen. Guys, focus on stuff with momentum, not some random stock that's been going sideways for a year. Record? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, could be nice if it goes, if it breaks out. Monday? Yeah, it does. I think it's Monday is gonna make a big move once it finally goes. I think so. Wait, gosh. Wait. Oh yeah, I sold this one. That's why, okay. Still had the stop line. Hey, Farmer Son, can you stop liking all of my tweets? Or actually, it's all Danny Lee's tweets. My tweet deck is constantly moving. many have you liked? You liked like 1,000 tweets in a row. Are you a bot? There's a guy on Twitter is liking like every single tweet. And now there's some other guy. Hey, come on guys, stop it. My notifications field in TweetDeck is constantly moving for the last like 15 minutes. It has to be a bot. It can't be a human being. And now there's other people joining. Oh, come on. Now there's like 20 people just liking a bunch of tweets. Oh, God. Oh. I love you too, guys. UEC. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, Sesson is really heating up. I know someone mentioned it before. Had a nice little breakout over the opening range highs. Yeah, sometimes these things can work really well. This thing could go back to 250. That's why I, have EDU and try TAL too. Sometimes they can work really well, but many times they don't. Oh, yeah. RSI. Yeah, looks like a decent setup. You can clearly see how nice it's surfing the 20-day, building higher lows, got tighter, and now it's breaking out of the range. Ray. Yeah. FRSH. I don't see it. It's like maybe an IPO breakout. I don't know, it's too sloppy. Damn. I'm trying to figure out where I should have entered this coin. This feels like a big miss here. Yeah, I'm thinking this day should have been the entry. Because it perked up from the lows. Before the market. Well, it showed relative strength to the overall indices. Built the flag. And then when the markets had a follow through day, that's when it broke out. This day here, the 14th. That would have been the entry. Oh well, there were so many things I was watching that day, so I missed this one. Hot October 1st. Yeah, that's a good setup. I saw it, but I never bought it. But yeah, that's a 5-star. That's a 5-star. This one here was a 5-star too. Look at this high tide flag. Beautiful. DVAX. Yeah, it looks good. Looks decent. ATR, you mean ADR? Yeah, I can actually, there was someone on if you want the ADR formula for Think or Swim, try this one. It's in the Discord, yeah. There's several different ones, but yeah, it's in the Discord. HX. Because ATR is a completely useless indicator. Or it's not useless, but you can't rank stocks with ATR. You can't compare stocks. But ATR can be good for like stops. Like many people use like 2 times ATR or 1.5, or I just use the lows of the day. But you can use like ATR too. A lot of people do. But you can't You can't rank stocks in relation to each other with ATR. But you can do it with ADR, since it's in percent. I use both. I have ATR here and I have ADR here. Link for the Discord, please. Oh my god. Really? Really? Oh my god. My god. Oh my god. David, get your guns! Alright, I don't know why I'm still streaming. Well, I hope things keep going higher. I'll just trim and trail and move my stops higher. Alright guys, thanks for joining and I'll see you tomorrow. Good luck everyone.